Back again, virtual team. If today is your first time coming across my video, kindly hit the subscribe button or follow me on Facebook if you are watching through Facebook. Right? Remember to like this video so that this video can be recommended to others. In this video, I'm going to show you two strategies that you can be using to make money. These strategies is what you can also use for your trading. So with that, let's say I'm going to click on Bitcoin right now. I'm going to check out on Bitcoin. Let me show you how these two strategies works. Okay, now if I come over here and click Bitcoin/USDT, let me say I want to trade, or I want to move into spot trading, or I want to move into future trading. I want to see how this coin is moving and what will be the next move of this coin. Right now I'm going to click on this chart here because I want to see the chart. I want to know the direction which Bitcoin is taking. Right now we notice something here. Right now, anytime you are trading, always there's two things you need to monitor. There's two things you need to monitor. One is the yellow line. Right? You can see the yellow line up here. You can see this yellow line here. Right? You can see this yellow line that is tracing this market. You can see it. This is the yellow line you should be monitoring, but I'm going to teach you how you can monitor this. Okay, now the next thing is stick. Right, this is the stick and this is the stick, and I'm looking on that 1 day frame. Okay, I'm looking on that 1 day frame to actually know how this market is going for 1 day. Okay, now I'm going to talk about this yellow line. Okay, whenever I see this yellow line at the top of the market, you can see the yellow line at the top of the market. So I'm just using for the past market. These are the past market movement. Right, these are the past market movement, and each of these candle represent, each of these stick represent 1 day. Okay, each of these stick represent 1 day, and you can see today on Bitcoin is actually moving. So guys, I'm going to teach you this yellow line. Okay, whenever I see this yellow line at the top of the market, you can see this yellow line at the top of the market, you should obviously know that the market is actually making a downtrend. Okay, it's actually making a downtrend. In fact, if you can check over here, this yellow line was at the top of the market when it reached when it was the pass of this time. Okay, when it was this time, the market was down below this yellow line. Okay, and you should know that anytime the market is below this, the market is going down. The price of coin of that particular coin will go down, and you can see here the breakout. So what you need to monitor next is when the coin break out. Right, when the coin break out of that yellow line, and you can see that this is going to make a little pump because it starts trending at the top of the line. Okay, now once it starts trending at the top of the line, you should also know that this particular coin is going high. Right, and you can see it here, it's going high. Now what's the best time for me to trade? Obviously the best time for me to trade is when the stick is at the down level. So let me zoom this so that you know when the stick is at the down level. So when the stick is at the down level, then I place my trade. Okay, now you can see this stick when the stick is at down level. Okay, when the stick is at down level, it does not make a tall movement. Okay, so I think the best time for you to trade is around 2 o'clock in the midnight. You are going to see the real movement on any coin. Right, on any coin. So the next strategies you need to take is that there is something that will happen when you are trading this time. Okay, in the midnight hour, there's something that is going to happen around those 2 o'clock, right, Nigeria time. Okay, now we have this at our chart. Let me color this. Okay, we have this at our chart. Right, we know that the market will move a stick here. This represents 1 day. Right, this represents 1 day. Now if this does not construct a stick here, okay, there's something that is going to happen. Now let us say I want to check out what will happen. So let us say this is today market. Let me say, for example, okay, let me go out from this market. Right, let me go out from this market so guys, we have something like this. Each of these sticks represent 1 day. Each of these sticks here represent 1 day. Right, each of these sticks represent 1 day, and let me say it ends here, that particular day, right? Now the trend will start from here, right? It's either the trend will start from down or it start from up, right? Any particular coin time the trend start from, you are going to be buying at that level. So it's every 2 o'clock that you can come to the market in the midnight in Nigeria time, and you are going to see this move, right? Now let me say, for example, if we have this, right? If we have this, let me say the market go, this is a stick for one day, and the next day, when can we buy? Now this is it. Let me say, for example, the coin moves to this level, the coin comes down to this level, right? The coin comes down to this level, and you see the price at this level, right? You see the price at this level. Let me say it's $20, it's $2, and you see the price at this level. What do you think is the next plan of this coin? Already we are not having stick here and we are not having stick here, but you see it at this level, right? You see it at making this range, making this movement, but we don't have stick here and we don't have stick here, but it's making this movement of this box, this stick. Okay, the first movement, if it goes down, obviously you should know that it's going to come up. So right now this has gone down and it has not constructed any stick here. So anytime trading, I will trade for any coin that have not constructed any stick here, right? But have constructed stick at the down. Now when I find that coin, immediately I'll rush into trade on that coin. Then you are going to see that this particular coin will start going up, to go and construct stick up, right? And once that particular coin is going up, it actually means that the price of that particular coin is changing from $2 to 2 point something to $3 upwards, right? So this is how you can make profit using these strategies. So guys, if today is the first time coming across my channel, if today is the first time I'm coming across my video, if today is your first time coming across to my page on Facebook, follow me on Facebook, Virtual Team. Follow me on YouTube, Virtual Team. Subscribe and like this video. I'm going to say peace out. See you in my next video. God bless you.